Hello. In this video, we will talk about the supervised learning. Basically, when we have machine learning algorithms, there are two types, supervised and unsupervised learning. So, first of all, we see what is supervised learning. So, it is a type of machine learning where the algorithm learns from labeled data consisting of inputs output pairs. In supervised learning, you train the algorithm on a data set that includes input features and corresponding correct output labels. The goal is for the algorithm to learn the mapping or relationship between the input features and the output labels. This enables it to make predictions or decisions on new unseen data. So remember, machine learning algorithms are different from other algorithms. Usually we give the input to the algorithm and then algorithm is able to make some processing and give us the output. But in this case, when we have a machine learning algorithm, the scenario is different. Here we give the input in the form of not only the features or the inputs, but also the expected output. So we give the input in the form of paired values. And based on that relation, the algorithm gives the predictions or the expected output based on the relationship or the mappings among the input features and output labels. And usually the algorithm is so trained so it is able to give accurate predictions and the decisions on unseen data. So basically, when we talk about supervised learning, where we are giving the algorithm input in the form of input features and the labeled output. So there are two categories of supervised learning. One is the regression and other is classification. Basically, this is based on the type of target variable. Like target variable is having the real values or not. So when we talk about regression, so target variable will contain some continuous value. Whereas when we talk about classification, so it is basically about some categories. Okay, it is able to categorize something. Then when we talk about the regression, so here the target variable is continuous. For example, if we want to estimate the price of a house, so obviously the price of the house will depend upon the location, size, and number of bedrooms. So based on these features, the price will be determined. And obviously there can be some real value as well. So here you can see the difference between regression and classification with the help of here temperature. What will be the temperature tomorrow? So temperature is continuous phenomena. Maybe 84 Fahrenheit, then 85 Fahrenheit, 85.5 Fahrenheit, and so on. But when we talk about the classification, so we just talk about the hot or the cold. So that is some discrete values over there. And here now we see usually the purpose of regression is predict a continuous value. And usually for the visualization in if we talk about this specific example of temperature tomorrow, so a thermometer can represent the real values or you can say continuous values. And the question addresses what will be the temperature tomorrow. But when we talk about the classification, so it is basically predict a categorical outcome. Okay, what category, hot or cold? And usually we say that the addressed question will be, will it be hot or cold tomorrow? So not some related, some real value or the continuous value. It is just about the category. Then these are the applications of supervised learning. And in the next video, we will talk about the applications of supervised learning. Thank you.